Hi, I'm Renee McLaughlin, Master T-Tap Trainer. Are you looking for just some very short moves that you can fit into your day? Like even when you're in your own kitchen, cooking, or just even grabbing a cup of coffee? That's what this Kitchen Sink Stretch series is all about. So far in this series, we've done some moves where we're curling and scooping. We've done some great side stretches. We've stretched out the bottom of our legs. But you know what we really need to do is find a good twist. That way we work the spine from all the different ranges of motion. So one of the things that T-Tap is known for is teaching us how to really lift our ribs and get great muscle activation and do it in a way that's really lymphatic. Think about the squeegeeing of the spine. So let me share you a way that you can use your kitchen sink to enhance the twist. Let's get started. So let's put our feet pretty close together. You want 4 fingers from here to here at the heel, and then the feet are parallel. So putting your feet like that, give me a bend in the knee, think tailbone, pull it down. We're gonna be lifting up, shift back into your heels, and then think you can activate the ankles out, knees out, and hips out. So now you're in a beautiful position to begin this move. I'm just gonna put one hand here and one hand over. Now, the whole key with these T-Tap twists is that you're trying to keep your hips as straight to the front as possible while getting, I'm gonna turn, while getting your shoulders as straight to the side as possible, and then getting your ribs lifted. So you're trying to get as much space from the top of your hip to the bottom of your rib cage. It's great to use something like a sink as leverage isometrics to get them up there. So here we go, I'm bending, I'm tucking, and back in position. So now I'm lifting my ribs. I'm gonna keep this hip pressing this way as I bring my arms to the side. I'm gonna come in a little bit so I'm in a good place. Now all you wanna do is use your hands, push down into your countertop and lift the ribs even higher. Now I'm gonna start to move my hands to get my shoulders as straight to the side as I can. I'm gonna try to press this hip back this way, resisting the effort, chin is tucked, and I'm visualizing my spine doing this. So I'm not leaning. Oh my goodness, it's intense. I'm gonna come out of it slightly. I'm gonna do a deep inhale into my belly. I'm gonna use the breath, exhaling as I press my palms against the countertop. Pressing down, turning, 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 resisting, press to get the ribs up, and 1, 2, 3, I'm going to come all the way back. I'm gonna go to here, move away, and do a couple of clapaways, and that helps get rid of inflammation, and guess what? You can then do the same thing, go to the other side, and do it again. These are amazing moves, and you might find yourself getting a little bit of heat generated in the body, and sometimes you might even get a tad nauseous. That just means that you're releasing some junk out of there. Just make sure you do maybe a little bit of walking, drink some water, and you know what? You can have a great day. Check it out, do it, comment, let me know how you love it. Thanks.